So the wind was very strong this morning, and as you can see, it's still kind of, windy. So it broke one of the limb of the avocado tree. A big limb too. It's not a small limb, as you can see. The good news is that we don't have to climb the tree to pick the avocados, because it's quite a few of them. Well, thank God it didn't damage the rest of the garden. So yeah, very strong wind, because this is a very big limb branch. Look at it. Wow. Thank God it didn't damage nothing else. So I actually found the branch it broke off of, and that's it right there. Just to give you a perspective that it was very high up. Yeah.